got to ask this question. Can I post a job for any company on LinkedIn? And I'm going to show you why the answer is no and what you can do in this video. But before I do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe and notify button because I create all of these videos for you. Creating a job on LinkedIn. Well, it really starts right here. Unless you're using a recruiter tool, if you're just using LinkedIn or Sales Navigator, it starts here. Create a post right there, a little briefcase, share that you're hiring. Click on that. Now, here's where I have to select the company. I have to select the company that I work for. And when I do select that company, let me choose one here. Give me a second. Choose my business company. Now, I'm going to put in the job. I'm looking for Banana Farmer, for Burriss Consulting, remote, all this stuff. Hit next. Now, I can put in the description. Let me put in the description. And then I can save this. Now, it wants me to put the hiring banner. I don't want that. It wants me to do questions. I don't need that right now for the sake of showing this to you. I'm going to hit next. And there's my job. Now, it wants me to post this as a public post. I will just because I want to show you. I'll do testing. And I'm going to hit post. And it wants me to promote it. I'm going to hit not now. Boom. There it is right there. Promoted. Hiring this job. Now, what it didn't do for me is it did not ask me to validate that I work for Burriss Consulting because I've already validated that in the early testing. But let me show you what happens if you choose a company and you want to change it. So I'm going to do view this job. I'm going to hit manage job post. Now there's a job here. I'm going to hit this pencil to take me in edit mode. It's a little bit. Let me see settings. Let's do it. No, I'm going to go to job info, hit the pencil right here to edit it. Now it's going to kick me over into the talent acquisition side of LinkedIn because this is talent acquisition, even though it's a free posting. And this issue is irrelevant to whether it's free or paid. But look here, it drops me on page 2 of 6. What's page 1? Hit back. Oh, look, I can change the company. Watch what happens when I change the company. I'm going to change the company to LinkedIn. I'm going to choose LinkedIn, and I'm going to hit next. Watch this. It wants me to confirm that I work for LinkedIn. I have to give it a LinkedIn company email address before it will let me continue. And it's going to match that email address to the email addresses associated with the organization. I can't do it. Now, earlier when I did this for Burriss Consulting, it sent an email to me. Let me show you the email. It sent me this email with this confirmation code, and I had to enter in the confirmation code. And this is exactly what would happen when I put my email address in here, in this case, saying I work for LinkedIn. I've got to have that code, otherwise it's not going to work. So I cannot change the company to LinkedIn. I have to go back to Burriss Consulting because I've already validated my email address there. Then I can hit next. And I go do the other things. Bottom line, no, even if you're managing companies, I'm managing a bunch of different company pages, but I don't have email addresses for all of these company pages. So if I don't have the email address that's associated with this company page myself and can get that code or know someone who can give me that code. Example, I could put the HR manager's email address in there and get them to forward me the code. If I cannot validate that I'm work for that company or associated with it, I can't change the company to any other company that I'm not a member of. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.